Hello everyone, I am Arvahita from Rovini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to deal with few concepts of cloud computing, and here we are going to deal with the topic called Nist. Nist is nothing but National Institute of Standards and Technology. The goal is to accelerate the federal government's adoption of secure and effective cloud computing to reduce the costs and improve services. Cloud computing reference architecture is shown in this diagram. So here we have the cloud consumer, cloud auditor, and the cloud provider and cloud broker, and finally a cloud carrier. So all these are the main branches of this architecture. So, considering the cloud consumer, he is a person or organization that maintains a business relationship with and use service from the cloud providers. The cloud provider is a person or organization or entity responsible for making a service available to the interested parties. The cloud auditor is a party that can conduct the independent assessment of cloud services, information system operation, performance, and security of the cloud implementation. The cloud broker, an entity that manages the use, performance, and delivery of cloud services and negotiates the relationships between cloud providers and cloud consumers. Cloud carrier, an intermediate that provides the connectivity and transport of cloud services from cloud providers to cloud consumers. For a cloud service, a cloud auditor conducts the independent assessments of the operation and security of the cloud service implementation. The audit may involve interactions with both the cloud consumer and cloud provider. So this is the diagram which shows that. Now let us see the characteristics of cloud consumer. He is the principal stakeholder of the cloud computing service. A cloud consumer represents a person or organization which maintains a business relationship with and uses a service from the cloud provider. The cloud consumer may be billed for the service provision and needs to arrange payments accordingly. Example services available to the cloud consumer. The consumers of SaaS can be organizations that provide their members with access of software applications and users or software application administrators. So this is a diagram which shows about the cloud consumers. SaaS consumer, PaaS consumer, and IaaS consumers. The SaaS consumers can be billed based on the number of end users, the time of use, and the network bandwidth consumed, the amount of data stored, or duration of stored data. The cloud consumers of PaaS can employ the tools and execution resources provided by cloud providers to develop, test, deploy, and manage the applications. The PaaS consumers can be application developers or application testers who run and test applications in cloud-based environments. The PaaS consumers can be billed according to processing, database, storage, and network resources consumed. The consumers of IaaS have access to virtual computers, network accessible storage, and network infrastructure components. The consumers of IaaS can be system developers, system administrators, and IT managers. The IaaS consumers are billed according to the amount or duration of the resources consumed, such as CPU hours used by virtual computers, volume, and duration of data stored. Now let us see about cloud provider. A cloud provider is a person and organization. It is an entity responsible for making a service available to interested parties. A cloud provider acquires and manages the computing infrastructure required for providing the services, runs the cloud software that provides the services, and makes the arrangement to deliver the cloud services to the cloud consumers through network access. So this is the cloud provider's major activities, that is service deployment, service orchestration, service management, security, and privacy. This diagram shows the hybrid cloud. Now let us see about cloud auditor. The cloud auditor is a third party that can perform an independent examination of cloud service controls. Audits are performed to verify conformance to standards through review of objective evidence. A cloud auditor can evaluate the services provided by a cloud provider in terms of security, controls, privacy, impact, performance, etc. Cloud broker, integration of Cloud services can be too complex for cloud consumers to manage. A cloud consumer may request cloud services from a cloud broker instead of contacting a cloud provider directly. A cloud broker is an entity that manages the use, performance, and delivery of cloud services, negotiates relationships between cloud providers and cloud consumers. The services of cloud broker. Service intermediation. A cloud broker enhances a given service by improving some specific capability and providing value added services to the cloud consumers. Service aggregation. A cloud broker combines and integrates multiple services into one or more new services. The broker provides data integration and ensures the secure data movement between the cloud consumer and multiple cloud providers. Now let us see about cloud carrier. The cloud carrier acts as an intermediary that provides the connectivity and the transport of cloud services between cloud consumers and cloud providers. The cloud carriers provide access to consumers through network. The distribution of cloud services is normally provided by network and telecommunication carriers or a transport agent. A transport agent refers to the business organization that provides physical transport of storage media such as high capacity hard drives and other access devices. Thank you.